Hello and welcome back to Knowledge Burst. Today we're peeling back the layers on a subject that can be as exciting as it is crucial: investing. This video will illuminate the advantages of investing for novices and provide an easy-to-follow guide on how to kickstart your investment journey. So without further ado, let's unravel the mysteries of investing. Firstly, we delve into the benefits of investing. The rewards of investing are manifold and can be a game changer for your financial future. One such perk is wealth building. Investing is a fantastic tool for accumulating wealth over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. Next, we have passive income. Investments, particularly those that pay dividends, can provide an additional income stream that requires little to no effort on your part. Also, investing is an effective way to beat inflation. When you invest, your money is working for you and potentially growing at a rate higher than inflation, thus preserving your purchasing power. Diversification is another key benefit. By investing in a variety of assets, you can reduce risk and potentially increase returns. Lastly, investing can help you reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a house, retirement, or your child's education, investing can help you get there. Now that we've touched on the benefits, let's move on to how you can start investing. Education is the first step. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Start by learning the basics of finance and investing. Setting clear goals is also crucial. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Having a clear vision will guide your investment decisions. Before you start investing, it's wise to build an emergency fund. This will act as a safety net in case of unforeseen financial difficulties. Next, pay off any high-interest debt. The interest on these debts could be higher than any potential return on investment. Choosing an investment account is a vital step in your investing journey. Different accounts offer different benefits, so be sure to choose one that suits your needs. Starting small is a great way to dip your toes into the world of investing. You don't need a large amount of money to start investing. Diversifying your portfolio is another important step. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Staying informed is crucial. Keep up to date with financial news and trends to make informed investment decisions. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance. In conclusion, investing for beginners can be a game changer. It's a journey towards financial security and realizing your dreams. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing your financial future. Happy investing.